Okay, this is we got Chevy. Okay, we got watching soon. So to reset that piece, this is signal up and down is the signal, right? But on right there on the top, right here, press, if and then I think press and hold, try press and hold, twist with that, sorry. Okay, let me put no first and then okay, so the first thing we do, turn the engine on. You can start the car or whatever reason, no problem. Okay, press one time here, right there. So press, and then it come like that. Press one more time, you get this page, and then you have to press one more time. See, and then you get yes or no. So are you sure you want to reset? You have to just twist right there. Okay, I put on yes, and then press on the end. Okay, so it become 100 right now. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.